Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're in the office. We're going to talk about a lawsuit that was launched against GM in regards to the LA7 or the 6.2 liter V8. Now, if you guys know, that engine was recalled. Almost 600,000 engine-equipped vehicles were recalled because of the low viscosity oil and premature wear of parts and inevitably engine failure. Now, before we get started, if you don't mind smashing the subscribe button for me, it helps my channel out. Thumbs up and notification bell when you know we're posting new content. Got a lot of great stuff over there, everybody. So recently, a group of 7 people filed a class action lawsuit against General Motors, and they're basically calling that the remedy for that 6.2 is basically they're going to change out the oil cap and up the viscosity of the oil. What they're claiming is that now is a violation of their consumer rights, meaning that the reason why this is going to be effective is the higher viscosity oil then cuts down on the estimated MPGs that were probably stated on their Moroni and or suggested from GM. Now, this was filed in Pennsylvania court, and basically what they're saying is they're saying that over the lifespan of the vehicle, they're going to pay hundreds of dollars more for gasoline because the higher viscosity oil is going to cut back. Now, we all know that they lowered the viscosity of oil because it helps with emissions, it helps with fuel economy, and how big, we don't really know. But at the end of the day, they're saying that this violates their state and federal consumer laws, and that the company's recall correction is going to be damaging to them. Now, they're basically saying that over the lifespan of that vehicle that they have the potential of losing over $1,000 because they're going to have to pay more for fuel. So we'll see how this kind of goes, but they're actually wanting everything all the way up from punitive damages and everything all the way up even to a jury trial in it. And we know that GM's kind of in hot water over this whole thing, and whether or not the changing of the oil viscosity is going to help or just prolong it until it's out of warranty, we don't really know. But a 3 to 4% drop of fuel economy because of this oil is what they're claiming. They're going to obviously produce tests and some, demonstrate this to even prove this in court. But we'll see how it goes, guys. But if you're a 6.2 V8 owner and say the last 6 years, you should go to the NHTSA website. I'll link that down below and see if your vehicle is under that recall for changing out the oil and or the oil cap for that, and hopefully protect yourself in the long run. As always, guys, I appreciate you guys being here. We're going to catch you on the next one.